Cooling things down and kicking up the winds in your most accurate forecast. We are going to start off temperatures in the 50s tomorrow. We'll clear out those skies, so no partly cloudy skies. 71 the expected high, but again, those afternoon winds will be strong. It's all thanks to the latest cold front that's going to drop through. This one limited moisture, so far northern Arizona, right at the border of Arizona and Utah, we'll see a little bit of some light precipitation. The rest of us should stay nice and dry. It's a fast moving system gone by the time we head into our Wednesday, and we will start to see high pressure building once again, but we'll continue with some breezy conditions for your Wednesday as well. After that, we'll bring in a few clouds, and well, that's about it for the rest of the week. So winds for tomorrow going to be out of the west. We'll see wind gusts up to 30 miles per hour in the valley, up to 55 miles an hour across the high country. So a lot of wind advisories in place. We've got a few through the evening and the early morning hours along the Colorado River Valley, and then heading into Tuesday morning into Tuesday night, that's where northern, eastern, and southeastern Arizona will be under those wind advisories through the day. Also for southeastern Arizona, we're going to be under that red flag warning or the fire weather warning from about 1 o'clock to about 8 o'clock at night due to those very strong winds and very dry conditions. Temperatures in the overnights should be in the upper 40s to the low to the mid 50s across the valley around the state. We're going to see 28 for Flagstaff, 45 for Globe, 37 for Show Low, 33 for Prescott, and 50 overnight for Bullhead City. Afternoon temperatures for your Tuesday, we're going to see them sitting in the upper 60s to the low 70s. So about a 10-degree drop for the valley. Other areas across northern Arizona could see a 15 to 20-degree drop compared to what they saw today. We'll see a high tomorrow, 42 in Flagstaff, 47 in Heber, 51 in Payson. We'll see that for Prescott as well, and 70s all along the Colorado River Valley. So the extended forecasts were nice and dry. Flagstaff has a slight chance as we head into tomorrow afternoon to see a sprinkle or two, but no real accumulation of any snow. Temperatures for the valley are going to hit those 80s for the first day of spring for you on Thursday and climb from there. We're upper 80s by the weekend and 90s by early next week. Flagstaff, your temperatures will hit the 50s on Thursday. Your overnights warming into the 20s. You'll see some partly cloudy skies, some breezy conditions, but you're staying relatively dry too as we head into the weekend. Your temperatures hit the 60s on Sunday and 65 by next Monday.